Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to use Lightingbox 3 for interior baking. This is a test scene. As you can see, this is a test scene. No lighting. I want to use baked lighting. This is the plan. First we need to switch materials. From here select material, select all, switch to the standard, enable emission for this one, baked mode, emission 3. Okay, now you can easily open the Lightingbox. You can reduce emission. As you can see, Lightingbox automatically add bloom effect. Here first you need to save your profile. As you can see, we have everything here and Lightingbox here. We don't have sunlight. Everything is static. Light map is static. You can choose your desired skybox. Nice. Good. Now just select baked mode, baked GPU, the light map resolution. Here you can see the light map resolution. This is just for testing. All light baked ambient lighting. As you can see, everything looks good. Increase light map resolution. This is the overall indirect intensity. Unit air reflection per ampere to capture reflection. Okay. From here you can disable bloom dirt. And from here you can enable ray tracing reflections. Nice. And here you can customize color settings. As you can see, everything is easy by using the Lightingbox. Nice. Everything, as you can see, looks good. Add movie script. As you can see, the Lightingbox make your workflow very easy. Everything looks realistic. For the floor, you can use Lightingbox PBR Auto PBR to automatically calculate the smoothness for your surface. As you can see, the Auto PBR automatically make your surface PBR. This is very useful in most cases. Make your scene very realistic. Nice. Automatic PBR automatically make your surface realistic. I hope this video be useful to you. Let me to bake by using a directional light. Nice. Here you can set the directional light to the bake mode. Inside lighting box you can change sun setting here. Indirect intensity. Overall intensity. Skylight. As you can see, the sunlight intensity too much high. You can reduce light map resolution to quickly see the lighting. Also you can use the automatic. Here you can increase the overall indirect intensity. Rotate the sun. Direct intensity. Here is the overall indirect intensity. Also I can disable sun and use a skybox. Oh, Unity crashed.